Hello, Quacky community. I'm just heading in. I've just been in and been dancing with our dance students, our Year 11 students. They've got a feature artist here today. So let's go and share their thoughts about having a feature artist. So now I've made it in with our wonderful Year 11 dance students. You know I've been part of the experience here with you. Can you share with me, we've got a wonderful feature artist here. Can you share with me the technique, the culture around the dance that you've been exploring this morning?
We learnt Kathak, which is an Indian dance style, classical Indian dance style. The home position we learnt was, and so we do it with me, straight, and like this. And then we always come back to that, and it's a lot of like arm movements, so like out, in and up. And then we also did foot movements. Yeah, it's a good learning experience.
So I know as part of the dance program, that's the richness of the program is all different types of dance. What part of the program does this sit within for you as Year 11?
We do a world dance investigation, so we look at all different types of dance styles like all around the world, and we investigate it and we write about it, and we get to do like real life experiences. So like this workshop we did today, and we've done like other musical theatre ones as well, and we've got heaps planned for next year that we're going to do. But basically it's just so we can have that experience that when we write about it, it's not just secondhand experience that we're Googling, it's something that we can actually draw upon. You know, you take from all different types of styles and you create your own style. So when you're looking at other styles and you're taking maybe a technique or a movement from that, you can make it your own.
We all do like ballet contemporary, and it's nice to like look into different cultures and see how like, yes, there's like elements of other dance styles in there, but like also it dances everywhere, and that's so cool.
Yeah, I like that the difference between our classical dance and their classical dance is like massive, and it's really cool to see how they've developed it over time.
Getting to know like all the different cultures in the world and how their dance moves are different to ours.
Learning all like different styles, you can see like how the technique like interloops with a lot of them, like ballet technique, like with the lines, like really helped if you did it like for this.
Like, you know, like your turnout, like you had to turn out in this and your lines, so yeah.
I'm really surprised there's none of you mentioning what you've learned is how good Mr. Bryce is with
Yes,
from being involved.
Yeah, see, so we actually, to mention it, you have to actually speak it.
Now, this is where I'm now stopping the principal vlog. Let me reassure you, I'll be back.
Oh yes! Propel 2022! Mr. Bryce is solo.
That could be not very good. A big thank you to our wonderful Year 11 dancers, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the dance today, what you've been exploring, is woven into your dance in the future. Thanks, ladies.
Thank you!